Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making some macaroni and cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of ham to it and a little bit of broccoli to it. So that's going to be my dinner for tonight is some homemade mac and cheese with ham and broccoli. It's going to be good. Stick around. So what you're going to need is, I've already shredded it up, some medium sharp cheddar cheese, and I shredded up a block of this, it's a gourmet, I don't know how to pronounce it, a Gruyere cheese, anyway, that's what it is. It's really a good cheese. It's really nice and flavorful. Got a nice mild flavor to it. Really very good. It's expensive though. This little block of cheese is like $4. So nonetheless, it's really a nice flavorful cheese. And then you're gonna need some macaroni, of course. And I bought some cubed ham from the store. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to throw in some broccoli. So, let's get started. You know, I just got to thinking, this video is you know, for those 30-something millennials who think that this is how you make mac and cheese. You know, you buy it in a cup or you buy it in a box, and this is how you make mac and cheese. I'm going to show you how to make some mac and cheese, okay? And this is not the way you do it. So for all you 30-something millennials out there, okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to get a pot of water. And you have to put some water in there, of course. And then you have to turn your stove on. And then, once this water comes to a boil, then you're going to put your macaroni in there. Okay, while this water is heating up, make sure you throw a little salt in there. Give it a little bit of salt. Salt that water. Alrighty, so my water's boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add about half of this bag of macaroni in there. Maybe just a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. There we go. Now, this is going to come back up to a boil. And we're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay. What you want to do also is you want to add just a little drizzle of cooking oil so that your macaroni doesn't stick together. I just pulled out my pasta and I drained it, and I'm letting it just sit on this dish for a minute. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we are going to take 1 cup of whole milk. We pour it in our pan. And we're going to take 1 cup of half and half. We're going to pour that in. Then we're going to put in our cheese. And it's already been measured out. Just about a cup of the gourmet cheese. We're going to throw that in there. And we're going to throw in our sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to leave some for the top. And we're just going to melt that on a low heat until it melts all together. That would be a good time to salt and pepper. Alrighty, once your cheese melts in your pan, you're going to want to go ahead and pour your macaroni back into your pan and mix it all up. My little puppy is down there looking for a little tidbit. And you're going to mix that in with that cheese. Let me show you. It's going to look like that. Then we're going to mix in our ham. And I'm going to go ahead and throw the whole ham in there. I'm going to mix that all together. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my broccoli. I know, you're thinking broccoli and macaroni and cheese, but it's really good. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pour your mac and cheese. Well, maybe not pour. Maybe I'll just scoop it in there. A little heavy. In your dish, because we're going to bake this in the oven. Okay, now we're going to top it with some cheese. Some of that sharp cheddar cheese. All right. We're going to bake this in the oven. 375 for about 25 minutes. Or until the cheese melts on top. It just came out of the oven. Okay, shall we try this? You guys ready? I'm ready. Let's try this. What do you think of that? Huh? Good, huh? Uh-huh. See? I told you. You're gonna like this. You're gonna like it. It's hot. That's good. That's really good. Okay, guys, look at this. Homemade macaroni and cheese. And you made it. You made it. And it wasn't that hard, was it? No, it was not. No, it was not. Listen, you know, you could put anything you want in here. You could put veggies in here. You could put ham in here. Or you could just leave it plain macaroni and cheese. Any way you want to do it. But you made it. And you made it from scratch. Just like I showed you. Okay. Hey, that's it for me today. Be safe, be well, and be kind. Bye-bye.